Hello, everyone. Just a quick video to let you know and give you a quick reminder that I am reopening all quarter three assignments. I probably will do this on the 15th later in the day, and all assignments will stay open until the 22nd at 11:30. At that point, every assignment will close for quarter three. So that includes anything that you see here. So anything through Romeo and Juliet and the explanatory essay that we're working on this week. So if you have questions, please let me know. But I did want to let you know that you will have the opportunity on the 15th to go back. And if you are missing any assignments from quarter three, you will have the opportunity to go back and work and complete those. I would take advantage of this. Like I said, once those assignments hit March 22nd at 11:30, they will close and they will be permanently closed and they will not reopen. So take advantage of that week that you're getting to go back and work. If you have any questions, like I said, please let me know. But I just wanted to give you a heads up on that.